What up? It's your boy Southern Smoke Boss back at it again. So I'm prepping up for some fajitas. I already washed all my meat. I had a Kuma knife sent out to me to try out. To purchase one of these knives, I got a 20% off. If you're interested in a knife, it's a 8-inch stainless steel chef's knife. It seems pretty sharp already. Come ready to go. So I'm gonna put the code down below so you can purchase if you like. I'm making fajitas, so I got this fajita season. I never tried it before, but I'm gonna try it out. So I got some chicken, steak, and I got my green peppers, red peppers and onions. I'm gonna start off first by cutting up my onions and green peppers. Oh yeah, this knife is nice and sharp. As you can see how easy it just cut through that. This is a pretty good, durable knife. Good for your nice kitchen. Okay. I always want to cut against, never cut towards yourself, because I don't know about you, but I would hate to get a chunk of meat took out of you. I'm going to do the same for this one. Just going to use half. Just come around like that. Okay, so I'm going to start off by cutting up my chicken into small strips, like so, something like that. Cut it in half. Okay, just come across it like so. Nice bites of chicken to go on fajitas. Come across the next one. Go ahead and cut that off, get rid of it. Just access that I don't need. So before I go over to this steak, I'm gonna go wash my knife off. I don't want to do any cross contamination with raw meat. Just a little fat. Trim it off. You guys, I'm trying to stay away from the fried foods, and cut back a little because my job said I have to. So let me go wash my knife off. I'll be back shortly. Okay, so I'm gonna trim these down a little thinner. These, my plan is, if the weather permits me to, I'm gonna take them out, light the grill up, and take a cast iron pan out there and cook them in a cast iron pan. Cause you know the weather's getting nice outside, so I want to try to get out, do a little. Let's go ahead and give it a little shake. Looks pretty good, huh? Give it a little shake. Okay. Let's go ahead and take a couple out. Take our onions, divide them up. And let it just sit over. We'll let it sit overnight. Let it get nice flavor. Good flavor. Okay. We'll see how that turns out tomorrow. So after we know let it marinate overnight. This is my chicken fajita. So I'm going to just add a little real lemon juice. Just lemon juice. You can either do lemon juice or lime. And here's my steak out there marinating overnight. If you want to see what we eat with it and how we eat it, go over to me and my wife's channel, Be Awesome Awesome, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And you'll see us doing mukbangs and all that good stuff we have with all the food. And the link will be in the description for you. Let me go ahead and put a little lemon juice in the steak. Just give it that, nice flavor. So, our chicken is nice and done, so we're going to go ahead and get ready to plate and get ready to eat. Most definitely.
Going over to watch us eat it.
So to watch us eat it, I need you to go over to Be Awesome Awesome, and hit that subscribe button so you can see us eat more things that I'll be cooking too. And you can see our reaction to it. This is my first time I've fixed fajitas. Hey, thanks for watching.